Today's topic is about how we should handle unexpected money, like a bonus at work, or even, dare I say, winning the lottery.
Ah, the dream. You get that extra bonus, and suddenly you're imagining all the things you can buy vacations, new gadgets, maybe even a car. But the truth is, nothing's ever truly free, is it?
Exactly. It might feel like free money, but it's never really free. You're earning it in one way or another. Take the bonus at the end of the year, for example. It's calculated based on your performance, right? Uh,
Right, it's like a reward for your hard work. But I think a lot of people forget that. They see that extra cash and think it's just a gift from the company. They don't realize it's actually part of their salary, just paid out at once.
And that's why it's so important not to get carried away. If you think you got this extra money out of nowhere and splurge it all, you could be setting yourself up for trouble.
Oh, for sure. Elders used to say, don't get too excited about good fortune, for a reason. It's not about how much money comes in, but how you manage it. Even if you get that bonus, it's just filling in the gaps, not a gift from the heavens.
You also brought up an interesting point about the leap month, the way it fills in the missing days from the lunar calendar. It's like we think we're getting this extra bit of time, but it's actually just part of the whole cycle.
Yes, it's all interconnected. So when you think you're getting free money, it's not really free. It's the product of what you've already done, like the leap month. It's part of a bigger picture.
Now, let's talk about winning the lottery. Some might say that's truly free money, right? But you've got a very different perspective on that.
Ah, the lottery. People think it's the answer to all their problems, but winning the lottery is, in a way, the worst thing that could happen. At least, if you're not prepared for it.
I mean, sure, we all dream about hitting the jackpot, but you're saying it could actually ruin lives?
Absolutely. Think about it. Someone who's barely scraping by and suddenly wins millions. They're not equipped to handle that kind of money. It's not going to stay. They'll either waste it or lose it to bad investments.
It's like you're giving a huge sum of money to someone who's never had it before. They might make rash decisions like buying things they don't need and end up worse off than before.
Exactly. It's like handing $2 million to a farmer who's been struggling but doesn't know what to do with that amount of money. They could leave the farm, get lost in the city, and eventually end up with nothing.
That's the danger. If you don't have the right mindset, money can become a trap. And that's what people often don't realize. It's not about having the money, it's about how you manage it.
Right. If you're not grounded and you suddenly have all this money, you might go down a path you can't return from. It's like you lose your sense of purpose. Instead of focusing on what truly matters, you get distracted by fleeting desires.
And that's the danger, isn't it? The money will eventually leave you if you don't handle it with care. So even if you win big, it's best to remain humble and stick to the things that matter most.
Absolutely. The key is using that windfall to better yourself or help others. Invest in your future, your education, and use it to do the things you couldn't before, like helping a charity or fulfilling a dream.
So it's all about being wise. Even when money comes unexpectedly, it's crucial to stay grounded and use it for growth, not for instant gratification.
Yes, money is a tool, not the goal. And if you approach it with the right mindset, it can help build a better life, but if you lose focus, it can easily ruin everything.
Well, I think that's a good point to wrap up today's episode. Remember, there's no such thing as free money. Whether it's a bonus or a lottery win, how you handle it determines your future.
Exactly. And that's the lesson we should take away. Stay grounded, stay focused, and don't let money dictate your life.
So, to our listeners, next time you get that extra money, think twice before you splurge. Think about the bigger picture and make sure you're using it to build a better tomorrow.
Well said. And we'll continue this discussion in the next episode. See you all soon.
Take care.
Total characters, 998.